Everyone thinks the best-selling air framing nailer is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Metabo HPT NR90ES1. Let's kick things off with the Metabo HPT NR90ES1. This framing nailer catches your eye not just because of its sleek design, but also its lightweight build at just 7.5 pounds. Priced at around $159, it's a solid choice if you want a reliable tool that won't weigh you down. If you want to tackle flooring or framing projects without feeling fatigued, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 21-degree plastic collated design means you can use it for a variety of applications, from truss build-up to wall sheathing. Its selective actuation feature allows you to switch between sequential and contact nailing with ease, which is great for different kinds of tasks. Plus, tool-less depth adjustment lets you countersink or flush drive into various materials, ensuring clean finishes. Now, some people complained about the occasional misfire when working at high speeds. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and take your time with setup, this isn't a deal breaker, especially for DIY enthusiasts or professional contractors looking for an affordable option. This is perfect for you if you're a homeowner or a contractor who want a lightweight, versatile nailer for various projects. Skip this one if you need something for heavier tasks on a daily basis, but for the price, it offers great value. Now, if the NR90ES1's weight isn't your thing, the next option is just as powerful but takes a different approach. Product number 2, Metabo HPT NR90ES1. Next up is another Metabo HPT model, the NR90ES1. This one is also priced at around $159 and weighs a similar 7 pounds. If you're looking for a tool that can handle quick changes between nailing types, this is definitely worth your attention. The NR90ES1 features a 30-degree magazine that's perfect for tight corners, which can be a lifesaver on certain jobs. You'll appreciate how this nailer can accept 2-inch to 3.5-inch paper collated nails. The selective actuation allows you to switch from sequential to contact nailing swiftly, which is ideal when you need versatility in your work. However, some users mentioned that the depth adjustment can be tricky at first. I'll be real with you, if you're a total beginner, it might take some getting used to. But once you figure it out, it really enhances your precision. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight nailer that can adapt to various tasks, especially in framing and flooring. Skip this one if you prefer a tool that's more straightforward to operate without much adjusting. Overall, it offers solid value for the money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more heft. Product number 3, Pneumatic SFR 2190. Now let's talk about the Pneumatic SFR 2190, which is priced at $125.99. This one is a bit heavier at 8.6 pounds, but it's packed with features that make it worth considering. The SFR 2190 is designed for heavy-duty applications like framing, roofing, and even pallet assembly. It accepts 21-degree plastic collated nails from 2 to 3.5 inches, giving you flexibility in your projects. The anti-dry fire mechanism is a nice touch, preventing damage to both the tool and your work surface, which is crucial for maintaining quality. Some users reported that it can jam occasionally. Here's the thing though, every nailer can jam, and this one includes tools for easy jam removal, making it manageable. Just be prepared to do a little maintenance now and then. This is perfect for you if you need a nailer that can handle various tough jobs without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight for smaller tasks. It's a great value for the price. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more versatility in nail types, let's move on to our next contender. Product number 4, Bostitch F21PL. Up next is the Bostitch F21PL, priced at $219. This one has a premium feel, weighing in at just 4.6 pounds, making it quite easy to handle. What caught my attention is its dual functionality. You can switch between framing and metal connector applications with just a nose piece change. This is a huge time saver if you work on different projects frequently. Plus, The patented depth guide allows you to set nails to the exact depth you need, which is huge for achieving professional results without fussing around. However, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit noisy during operation. Honestly, if you're working in a quieter environment, that might be something to consider. But for most construction sites, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a pro who needs a reliable tool for both framing and metal work. Skip this one if noise is a major concern for your work environment. It's a solid investment for the features you're getting. Now, if you're looking for a coil nailer that can do the heavy lifting, this next product might just be what you need. Product number 5, Metabo HPT NV90AGS. Finally, we have the Metabo HPT NV90AGS, priced at $309. This coil framing nailer is great for those who need to drive a lot of nails quickly. What stands out here is its ability to accept 15-degree coil nails from 1 3/4 inches to 3.5 inches. The open nose design makes jam removal a breeze, so you can keep working without wasting time. The lightweight design at just 7.7 pounds helps reduce fatigue, which is crucial during long projects. Some users have pointed out that it can be a bit pricier than other options. But if you're working on big projects, the time saved and durability this nailer offers can make it worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor who frequently tackles large jobs and needs something efficient. Skip this one if your projects are smaller or more occasional. It's a great tool for serious work. Now let's wrap this up by comparing all 5 nailers to find the right one for you. So, to recap, the Metabo HPT NR90AES1 is lightweight and versatile. The NR90AES1 offers great adaptability. The Pneumatic SFR219E is solid for tough jobs, while the Bostitch F21PL brings dual functionality. Lastly, the Metabo HPT NV90AGS is your go-to for speed in larger projects. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that aligns best with your needs.